So I have the Pulse 3D headset, and I'll be showing you how to connect this headset to your smartphone using an AUX cable. Okay, so if you have an AUX cable like this with 3.5mm headphone connectors on both ends, you can actually use this headset with your phone. And so since these phones have no 3.5mm headphone jack or port, then you're gonna need an adapter. So this is a Type-C to a headphone jack adapter. Now, if you have a phone that has a 3.5mm headphone jack, then you don't need this adapter. You can just plug it directly in. Okay, so this is only for people who have phones that don't have 3.5mm headphone jack. Newer iPhones, most newer Android phones should have this adapter. It's very affordable, just about $10 on Amazon. Anyway, let's go ahead and connect this cable to this port. Okay, so there's actually a 3.5mm headphone port on the Pulse 3D headset. So just connect one end of the cable there like that, simple as that. And then this other end, like I said, if you have a phone with a 3.5mm headphone port, you can just plug it directly in. But for us who have these modern phones, let's go ahead and connect using the adapter. So the 3.5mm headphone connector goes in there, and then this goes into the phone. Now, the interesting thing about this is when you're using the headset like this, you don't even need to use you don't even need to turn on the headset. Okay, so you can see the headset is off. As you can see, if it was on, it would be on this side. The headset is currently off and it's already connected. If you go and play any type of audio, maybe you're watching a YouTube video or some Instagram reels, the audio will be coming from the headset. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.